Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you, and I'm very, very happy to say it is a total refresh, this update. I'm so excited. So if you're not familiar with this project, I absolutely love Supernatural. I was so sad when it ended, all 15 seasons. So back in 2018, just a few years ago, I decided to pan a product for every episode that ever aired. 15 seasons, which is kind of crazy. I started off a little slow because I was trying to finish a whole bunch of things, and I realized that is completely unrealistic. So then I started doing smaller goals, and that's where we are right now. And currently working on season 7 of 15. So everything that I will be going over today is season 7, but I have 6 products that are rolling out, which means there's going to be 6 products rolling in. So I originally started this back in 2018 with my friend Amanda. I'm going to have her link down below, and I believe there's going to be a list or a spreadsheet or something down below of everyone that I know of that has at some point done this project. It is one of those projects that it's going to take forever to get through. So some people started it, didn't finish, have jumped in and jumped back out and jumped back in, and it's all over the place. But everyone that I'm aware of that has done this at some point is going to be linked down below. And if you want to join in, by all means, if you like Supernatural, if you like project panning, you can join in. You don't have to be a part of any group or anything like that, because it's just me doing this thing. And yeah, it's kind of like my evergreen project because it's going to take forever. So let's do this thing. I'm doing 6 products at a time, 6 episodes at a time, and I'm very excited to be rolling some stuff out because that means I can roll new stuff in. And as you can see, my daughter's kind of hanging out with me right now. She is playing on my iPad and just kind of chilling. So let's do this. All right. Season 7, episode 9 was How to Win Friends and Influence Monsters. And for that, I had this Essence nail polish called Be Calm. I had it in for 3 uses. I was finally able to get my 3rd use on this one. And it is rolling out and going right back into my nail polish drawer because I love it. I get a lot of compliments when I wear it, and it is not going anywhere. Next, season 7, episode 13, The Slice Girls. I had the Coastal Scents Hot Pot and Cantaloupe Slice in for 3 uses. I did finally get my 3rd use on this one, so now this one is rolling out as well. All right, episode 14 is Plucky Penny Whistle's Magical Menagerie. That is a tongue twister. I have the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in New Penny for 3 uses. Of course, since everything's rolling out, I got all 3 of my uses on that. All right, next we have episode 15, Repo Man, and I chose the ColourPop Honey palette in the shade Buzzkill, and it is this shade down here in the corner. And of course, I was easily able to get my 3 uses on that one as well. It worked very well with Cantaloupe Slice. Let's see. Where did we leave off? Episode 16, Out with the Old. And I chose the Coastal Scents Hot Pot Ice Ballet for 3 uses. Of course, it goes with my Pan That palette and my Better Together palette, so easy 3 uses on that one. And the very last one is episode 17, The Born Again Identity. And then I chose ColourPop Cherish, what is this, a Quint? And I had the shade Faith, which is right there in the middle, for 3 uses. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that one is out of here as well. So let me push these off to the side. And then I'm going to have to show you all 6 of the new things that I am bringing in. And I'm going to read you a little synopsis of each of these. So we are going to start with episode 18. Let me scroll up on my spreadsheet, and then we're going to go over to Wikipedia, the Supernatural Season 7 Wikipedia, and we are starting with, all right, so episode 18 is called Party on Garth. It says Sam, Dean, and Garth investigate the case of the shoujo, a Japanese alcohol spirit targeting the children of the owners of a local brewery. They find out that the owners had removed one of their partners who wasn't in favor of selling the brewery. This partner, Dale, had been the brains behind the company, and upon being removed from his position, had taken his own life. Before he died, Dale had placed the shoujo in a spell box and sent it as an apology to his old partners, making sure that once the box was open, the shoujo would kill their children. Dean kills the shoujo with a blessed katana. So, since this is all about the brewery and the Japanese alcohol spirit, of course it had to be an alcohol theme. So I have the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in the shade Peach Brew for the brewery, and I want to get 3 uses on this one. I don't think it's going to be hard. It's a very easy color to use. All right, let's move on to Season 7, Episode 19, Of Grave Importance is the title. It says, Sam and Dean get a call from fellow hunter Annie Hawkins asking for help on a case in Bodega Bay, California. When they arrive in town, Annie has disappeared. They trace her last whereabouts to an old abandoned house that is haunted by the ghosts of a murderer and his victims. The boys defeat the ghost with assistance from the ghost of Bobby, who has tied himself to an old hip flask which Dean kept as a memento. So, because they are fighting with the ghost of Bobby, or alongside the ghost of Bobby, I should say, I have the Looksy eyeshadow in the shade Ghosted, and I want to get 3 uses on this one as well. I will swatch everything at the end. All right, next we have Season 7, Episode 20, The Girl with the Dungeons and Dragons Tattoo. I love the clever names of these episodes. All right, Bobby's ghost informs Sam and Dean that the Leviathans plan to turn humanity into the perfect food source for as long as the Leviathans exist. Tongue twister. A hacker working for Dick Roman also finds out the truth about her boss and teams up with the brothers as they launch another attack on Roman. Bobby attacks Roman and displays signs of becoming a vengeful spirit, which worries Sam and Dean. Charlie goes into hiding. Charlie goes into hiding while Roman worries about the Winchesters figuring out the tablet they stole from him. Okay. And let's see. Because this is called The Girl with the Dungeons and Dragons Tattoo, I went based off of the title theme, and I am going with the Cleona Cosmetics nail polish. I almost said eyeshadow. It's a nail polish in the shade Dragon Teeny, and you can see it is an absolute beautiful shade, and I'm very excited to wear this one. It is a beautiful topper, and I want to get 3 uses on this one as well. Pretty much everything is going to be 3 uses. It's like a nice easy number. All right, next we have Season 7, Episode 21, Reading is Fundamental. Sam and Dean break open the clay tablet they stole from Dick Roman, which Castiel explains contains information from God written out by the celestial scribe Metatron. The opening causes the waking of a prophet, a teenager named Kevin Tran, who holds the power to interpret the tablet. The tablet and the prophet are also sought by 2 angels. He interprets the tablet for them before the angels take him back to his house where the Leviathans kidnap him. So since this whole episode is all about the tablet that is like a clay tablet, I decided to go with the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Baked Clay. And of course, I want 3 uses on this one as well. I'm going to get a drink of water because I can already tell my throat is just going to be a problem if I don't. Okay, let's move on to Season 7, Episode 22. We only have 2 more episodes to get through. And this is There Will Be Blood. Various plot threads introduced throughout the season begin to converge. Dick Roman forces Kevin Tran to translate the word for him by threatening Kevin's mother. The Leviathan's mind-numbing meat additive makes its way through the population. Sam and Dean track down the alpha vampire to get his blood for making of a weapon. That is some weird wording. To get his blood for making of a weapon that can kill the Leviathans. Does that seem grammatically correct? I don't know. Bobby shows greater signs of becoming a vengeful spirit. All right, so based off of the title of this, There Will Be Blood, I have chosen Pat McGrath. This is the Eye Ecstasy Subversive Palette, and we are going with the shade Blue Blood, which isn't at all blue. It's this shade right here, and I want to get 3 uses on that one as well. And then the last one, Season 7, Episode 23. It is legit the last episode in Season 7. So if I have any rollouts next time, we are starting on Season 8, which is very exciting. So Season 7, Episode 23 is Survival of the Fittest. And it is Sam, Dean, Meg Masters, and Castiel marshal their forces for the final battle against Roman and his Leviathans. They infiltrate to where Dick Roman is and kills him. After killing him, Dean and Castiel find themselves in purgatory, as they were near to him when he died, thus taking them to purgatory with him, surrounded by monsters as Castiel disappears. Crowley appears and takes away Kevin, leaving Sam alone. So they've taken him a little south, if you catch my drift, to purgatory, which is down, and that is how I am getting my last product here. This is the ColourPop Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette, and I am going with the shade called Underground, since they're heading south, and we ain't talking Florida. That's what we always joke around here. This is the shade right here, and of course I want to just get 3 uses on that one, which it's an easy gold shade. I don't think it's going to be any problem to get 3 uses on that. I don't think I will have all of this done by the next update, but I have a lot of fun things to work with here, and I'm getting my swatches for you. So this is going to be very fun, I think, to play with all of these colors. And I think the first 2 coordinate extremely well. And of course, I do not have, I'm running out of fingers here, and I don't have a cloth up here that I normally would use to wipe my fingers off. So we're going to use all 5 fingers because, you know, it's nothing like being awkward. So there they are in order. This one is Peach Brew, Ghosted, Baked Clay, Blue Blood, and was it Underground? I don't remember what it's called. Under the Ground. So that's what those all look like. And I feel like these 3 are going to work super well together. And who knows, maybe I can put those 2 together. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how it works out, but I'm excited. And then, of course, we have my nail polish that I get to play with. I'm pretty sure the nail polish is not going to be done by the next update, but maybe one of these other ones will get a chance to roll out. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.